Hello everyone. In this part we will learn about filter. Before this we have learned about the sorting. Now we will learn filter. Filter is used when we don't want to see the unwanted data in our table. When we don't need to see unwanted data, we just want to see only important data to us, and rest all we want to hide that. So filter is used to hide the unwanted data. So for doing that, for applying filter, we have two options. Either here you use, you can see here a keep like symbol is there. Under this you can see that it is written create a filter. So when you will click this, you can create the filter from here. Otherwise you can do the filtering from data option. Data, click here, and you see here it is written create a filter. So you can either create a filter from here or here. So from here accessing is easy, so we will do from here, from this place. So now I am going to click it. You see, when you will click, the color will be changed. The color will be changed and your whole table will be selected automatically. Fine. And the color is something changed to a little bit green. And you can see here, you can notice that after applying the filter, after clicking the filter, you can see in this heading cell there is a green button, and in a student roll number, that is heading cell, you can also see here is a green button. Beside first name there is a green button, beside last name there is a green button. So in every heading cell there is one button applied. Okay, so now after clicking this button we can hide the unwanted data related to a particular column, and we can get only the data which we desire. So suppose that I am going to implement the filter on fee column. We just want to see those students who have submitted less than 5,000 fee. You can see here we have the student has 5,000, has have submitted 5,000 fee, here 2,000, here 3,000, here 8,000, here 6,000, here 1,000, here 4,000. So we want to get the data of those students who have submitted less than 5,000 fee. So for doing this, we will come to this fee heading cell, and then we'll come to this green symbol. We'll click here. When we'll click here, you can see that here it is written filter by condition and filter by values. So we will click filter by condition. Click once, and here you see it is written none. We will click this drop down box, and here you can see there are multiple options. So we need the name of those students who have submitted fee less than 5,000. So we will use less than symbol, less than. Click this. Now it is asking the value or formula, so we will write less than 5,000. We need those students who have submitted less than 5,000. So 5,000 is written. Now scroll this and you will see green button. Sorry, okay, filter by condition, and here click this, and then less than, and here you have put 5,000, and now click OK. Click OK. Now you can see we can see the name of the data of those students that have submitted less than 5,000 fee. So here you see 2000 is there, 3000 is there, 4000 is there, 1000 is there. But more 5000 or more than 5000 fee data is hidden. So that is the use of filter. Now we 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 have got this. Now we don't want to create the filter, we want our previous table. So what we will do, we will click here and we'll click on turn off filter. When you click, you can get your original table. Now again, let's see one more example. Click this, create a filter. Now I want to see those records which are having date August 7, 2020. So we'll click here on uh, here green symbol, and condition by filter by condition will click, and then what we will do here, will come to date is, click date is, and here give the value, click here exact date and put here. So we want August 7, 2020 to, so type here August 7, 2020. Now this has been implemented. Now click here OK. You see your filter is applied. You can only see the record of those students who submitted the fee on 7th August 2020, and rest of the student data is hidden. So like this you can implement filter. You can implement filter on any column. According to any column you can implement it, and then the desired data will be shown and the rest of the data will be hidden. So that is all for this about this filter. Now we will talk about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is used to differentiate the data between one another. Suppose that school management or university management asks that give me the data of those students who have submitted less than 5000 fee, because they have submitted uh, they have not submitted their full fee. So we have to ask them if they will fail to submit the total fee by this date, their name will be uh, taken off from the register or from the institution. So for doing this, you can use the conditional formatting, and those students who have submitted less than 5000 fee, you can mark them as a red color. Okay, and suppose that management asks that show me give me the data of those students who have submitted 9000 fee, and so you can highlight that by doing conditional formatting, and you can change the color of that 9000. So by seeing that, anyone can understand this, the 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 cell where red mark is done, those students have submitted less fee, and the cell where green color is available, it means the student have submitted the total fee. So let's see how to implement it. we uh, uh, we want to implement this conditional formatting on this fee cell, fee column. So to implement on fee column, first we have to select the data of this column. So by clicking left mouse button and dragging, I have selected this column data. Now I will go to format column, click here format tool, and click here, and then you can see here it is written conditional formatting. Click this conditional formatting. Now you can see here single color is written. Your cell range is written here J2 to J11. When you will come, you see your fee column is J column and your data is in J2. This is called J2. 5000 is J2 cell, and this 8000 is J11 cell. So we have selected from first cell to last cell of the fee column. Now what condition I have to apply? So here you can give your condition. So let's see. Here we can say that less than, and value what we want to give 5000. We want to find that the name of those students who have submitted less than 5000 fee. So I have given here 5000. Now I want to show these students data into red color. So you will come here, you can see here it is written formatting style. Here it is written bold, italic, underline, and then here you can see it is given fill color, and here it is text color. So if you want to make the cell in red color, you will click here fill color, and here choose red, and then click done. You see here, as you click on done, those students who have submitted less than fee, their data, their cell range has been converted into red color. 2000 is less than 5, 3000 less than 5, 4000 less than 5, and 1000 is less than 5. Now suppose that you want to highlight the data of that student who have submitted 9000 fee. So we can again add another rule. Click and add another rule. Click here. Now cell range is same, J2 to J11. Now click here, and we want to ask that is equal to 9000, is equal to. So we have to click is equal to, and here you give your value 9000. Now 9000. Now which color do you want to give it? We will give it green color. Fine. And I have clicked done. You see here the persons who have submitted less than fee are in red color, and the person who have submitted 9000 is in green color. So by seeing this table, anybody can understand that who have paid the complete fee and who have not paid the, who have paid very less amount of the fee. So using this you can implement the conditional formatting. And suppose that you don't want to use conditional formatting, you want your earlier table as it is, you don't want this conditional formatting, then what you will do, you will come here and you can see here there is a remove rule is written, a symbol is there, uh, recycle bin type. You click here, your formatting is undone. Here you see, you click here remove rule. Now you see you have your original data now, earlier one. So that was all about conditional formatting. You can practice more things using this. Now we will talk about Google spreadsheet sharing feature. If you want to share your sheet with some other persons, you can do it very easily in Google Sheet. How we can do it? Suppose that this is your sheet, Google Sheet demo. Now you want to share it with some person. You can see here it is written share in green color, green bold color. You will click here. After clicking share, you see here share with people and groups. So here you can type the email ID or name of the particular person to whom you want to share your Google Sheet. So suppose that I am here, I want to add NSIC online class gmail.com. I will click here. Now it means I can share my sheet to with this NSIC online class gmail.com with this person. And there is an option that how I want to share our sheet. There is a three option here. When you click, it is written viewer, commenter or editor. So suppose that I want to share my sheet, but I don't want that another person should edit our document or our sheet. So we will choose either viewer or comment. So here I am checking viewer, and now here click on send button. After clicking this data has been shared with NSIC. How we can understand that this data is shared or not? Here you see earlier there is one person symbol, but now there are two person symbol. It means by seeing here you can understand that this sheet has been shared with someone. Now when you will take your mouse on this share, you can see here it is written shared with one person. If you want to check that with whom it has been shared, you will click here. Okay. uh, okay, so from here you can understand that this sheet has been shared. Now we will come, this is my sheet, Vipin Rai sheet. I am using with this Gmail ID, Vipin Rai Gmail ID. Now I will check with NSIC ID. So let's see here. It has it is not visible presently, but it has been shared. Now I have to refresh it. Maybe it can take some time. Till now it is not. Now you see here, I am in another account in NSIC online Gmail account. Now you can see here it is written Google Sheet demo and Vipin Rai edited today. It means from my here, this is my account. You can see vipin82@gmail.com. So I have shared it. The whole sheet has been shared. The complete Google sheet has been shared. So this sheet is having sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So this complete spreadsheet is visible to NSIC online. Let's come back. You can see here, this is NSIC online Gmail ID. Now you can see Google Sheet demo, Vipinda edited today. When you will click it, double click it, you can find this is showing sheet 1 data. When you will click sheet 2, you can see we were working on this data. So this is visible here. Okay. And when you will click sheet 3, you can see your data. So here you can see it is written view only. So because why it is why we are seeing it view only, because when we shared it, we gave the permission to view only, not to edit only, not to edit. So that's why it is showing view only. Now come back to our Vipin Rai account. Okay, this one. Now I want to share it. I want to share this with again NSIC. Okay. Come here and you click on the share. Here you have given permission viewer, but now we will choose editor option. Now save it. Now you here see permission updated is written. It means earlier it was for view only, now it has been for up it is available for edit also. Now here refresh it. Now you can see that earlier here it was written view only, now it is not written there. It means you can edit also in this sheet. Suppose that I write here something, Vipin edited this. Now I have written in this, Vipin edited this. This will be also reflected to the person who have shared this. So let's see. This is my ID. Sorry, this is the NSIC online ID. Now we will come to Vipin ID. You see here, there is written Durgesh Sharma. It means Durgesh Sharma has edited something. Here, but it is not being shown. So one, we will refresh it. Because it is on cloud, it works with internet connection, so sometime it takes time to refresh. Okay, here you can see that this place has been highlighted and it is written that Durgesh Sharma. It means Durgesh Sharma is editing this document. So we can understand that who is editing. So that is all about this. Now you can see this, Vipin edited this, written in this which ID? NSIC online class ID. Now come back to Vipin Rai ID. Here this is Vipin Rai ID. You see it is written Vipin edited this. So Vipin edited this is visible at both the places. And here you see a red rectangle. It means that someone, Durgesh Sharma, is editing something. It is showing that the progress that Durgesh Sharma is editing something, but he has not finished. So this is showing in pink color. When he will edit this, when he will finish this editing, it will converted and visible to uh, both the sheets. This is called collaboration. That is the collaboration means in a single sheet, if that sheet is shared with some other person, all the person can edit that sheet. If you want to share with those person for editing, all the person can edit. And if you want to share with that, they can view only, so they cannot edit, they can view only. So that is called collaboration. It means multiple person can work on a particular Google sheet. That is all. Thank you very much.